Free dog poop scooping services. A simple yet effective business that provides weekly pet waste removal for dog owners. It solves a common problem that many people would rather avoid. The service involves visiting clients' homes once or twice a week to clean up their yards. Customers are typically charged a flat fee, such as $50 per week. The appeal lies in convenience. Dog owners save time and avoid dealing with unpleasant tasks. This business thrives in areas with a high density of pet owners and offers scalability by hiring additional staff as the client base grows.